Okay, my kryptonite. Using some form of black magic, perhaps voodoo or Santeria, I was able to torch those studs off of this and get this tube removed. Now I'm just going to attempt to use the same form of black magic to weld up this hole that I made. If I could patch this up, we're gonna be in good shape, and if I can't, I'm gonna have some problems. But let's see if I can before I start focusing on the negative.
Push time!
That's a welder.
Welding time!
Welding time. Disclaimer, I am not a welder. Machine is turned down as far as it'll go. I don't know. Kind of tough to weld rust. Sweet. I think that will about do it. Oh, yes it will. I fixed it. A little ugly inside though. I need to clean that up. Okay, that's nothing that a decent carbide bit won't take care of for me. Stay. Yep. A lot of noises. Whoa! Don't go back. Stay. A little bit more right here. Good as new. I win. Almost. I should clean this up some too. Excellent. Now that is much more better. Oh, it's still ugly right here. I gotta get that part. Okay, now it's excellent. Good, going back in.